Construction News Tracker is presented by Caterpillar and produced by 4constructionpros.com. Continued momentum for construction in 2020 amidst an overall wait and see based on economic uncertainties. That's how ABC Chief Economist Anirban Basu scopes out the near forecast for the new year. Although the backlog indicated climbed to 9 months in August, construction spending and employment has softened. Continued spending in private non-residential categories has decreased. The overall picture for public spending remains bright. Infrastructure outlays remain strong despite a total lack of government plan, with state and local governments coming to the rescue with controlled and continued building projects. Key construction segments such as water and sewer, transportation and highway and streets continue strong nationwide. Basu points out that these elements have pushed the infrastructure segment higher than the commercial, institutional, and heavy industrial segments. The Markham Commercial Construction Index, presented annually, shows a healthy industry heading into 2020. On the positive side, it points to increased public construction spending, growing backlog, continued economic expansion, sustaining industry momentum. In the sour outlook category, Markham points to the continued lack of qualified workers, which is driving labor costs and producer prices higher. U.S. hiring in November jumped to its highest level since January of 2019 as employers added 266,000 new jobs. The Labor Department reports that the unemployment rate has now dropped to 3.5%. It's the lowest rate in 50 years. November's healthy job gains runs against the grain that employers are delaying hiring until the U.S.-China trade war is settled. The hiring pace shows the resilience of the job market into the economic expansion, now the longest on record. The U.S. Commerce Department is reporting that declines in apartment and multifamily building caused spending to drop 0.8% in October. The data also shows private construction spending was off 1%. Overall, private residential construction was off 0.9%, and multifamily were down 1.6% in October. Single-family construction rose some 1.6%. Indicators show lower mortgage rates and a healthy job market are boosting home sales as well as the demand for new homes. The first 10 months of 2019 shows overall construction at an annual rate of $1.09 trillion, down 1.7% from 2018. Doosan has unveiled its 2020 technology outlook with a major presentation at its Korean proving grounds. It's called Concept X and is designed as a comprehensive control solution for construction site productivity and safety. Our technical editor, Kurt Bennick, had the opportunity to attend the event and provides this summary.
Machines are controlled by a single operator located in the X Center control room. The whole process starts with construction site surveying. A drone scans the job site and transmits topographical information to the X Center to produce the 3D data. The X Center analyzes the job site through this 3D terrain data and establishes the optimal operational plan by calculating the equipment availability. Unmanned construction equipment starts its operation according to the X Center plan. Work progresses and equipment statuses are monitored in real time. We witnessed a live demonstration including a surveying drone, autonomous loader, autonomous excavator, and autonomous articulated truck all working together. While the demonstration was impressive, the technologies involved will be rolled out in stages as they are perfected. Doosan expects full implementation of Concept X by the year 2025.
It's hard to believe, but 2020 will mark 35 years that Caterpillar has produced its certified rebuild program. Developed in 1985 at the height of tough economic conditions, it has now certified over 25,000 machine, powertrain, commercial engine, hydraulic, and component rebuilds. Owners of CAT products have the opportunity of rebuilding their machines for a fraction of the cost of new equipment. Current rebuilds also offer machine owners the means to upgrade technology such as grade, slope, and payload production solutions that can give machines capabilities they did not have when new. It's winter in many parts of the nation, and that means road crews are out clearing streets and highways of snow and ice while also treating them. States and municipalities have concocted numerous types of additives to apply to slippery roadways over the years, but none like Michigan has in mind if it can get their DOT to agree. Lawmakers have a proposal before the Michigan DOT to conduct a pilot study on the use of beet juice as an ice-reducing treatment. Yep, beet juice, as in sugar beets, which supporters claim can be mixed with traditional road salt to create a sticky substance that adheres longer to icy roads. And that's not even considering the sweeter smell of that additive. In closing, the moon could not go on shining if it paid any attention to the little dogs that bark at it. This is Construction News Tracker, looking over the industry that makes the world a better place, presented by Caterpillar and produced by ForConstructionPros.com. Follow us on social media at Twitter using hashtag Construction News, YouTube at ForConstructionPros, and on Facebook at /ForConstructionPros. Wishing each of you the brightest of holidays and the most prosperous new year, as the streaming web never ends.
Construction News Tracker is presented by Caterpillar and produced by ForConstructionPros.com.